Hi. Denial series, let's continue. Didn't even know I'm lying. So the root of everything, it didn't start today. I constantly keep meeting people who are just, who think, that today or yesterday or whatever is happening right now in life is triggering them or creating problems for them, not realizing that the root of it is not today. Nothing starts today. It always is coming from somewhere earlier. And that earlier could be any age. It really doesn't matter. But let's look at childhood as an example. For example, let's take a very extreme case scenario that maybe you get sexually assaulted as a child, and for a very long time you blame your parents, especially your mother, for not being able to keep you safe and for you feeling alone, etc. And that becomes part of your story, a very very big part of your story, because that's the trauma that you carry for a very long time. My mother, my father, they were not there for me when I needed them. But did you really confess? You didn't. Why didn't you? Because you didn't feel safe with them even before the incident happened. That safety that unit might needs to provide as your parents maybe didn't happen. And predators are very very good at exploiting people who they know are susceptible to exploitation. No predator chooses a victim who's strong. So this does not start with the abuse. It started before that, because you were susceptible to it by virtue of not having safety in your own home and your own environment and your own people. And that's one version of reality. On the other side of it, if you've been given a very strong sense of self, authority won't bother you, strong opinions won't bother you, people who have their own lanes, who have their own boundaries won't bother you. You will have your own. That also may start from earlier. So the root of that is also earlier. It doesn't happen at 20, it doesn't happen at 30, after you're successful, after you're married, after you have children. You just have it because somewhere between the age before 15 somebody instilled that in you and you kind of grew up with it, which is why you see strong people or secure people make insecure people insecure because they kind of recognize the lack of this in their DNA. And this is just very, this is simple calmness. If you get exploited, you kind of know that it's in you, the germ of that is in you. And I think it's our core responsibility to not allow that. As soon as we have a realization of it, when you know better, you do better. There is no other way of doing life. Life, I keep saying, is a school. So don't lie to yourself. The root is not today. It's not the person in front of you. The person in front of you is just a mirror of whatever it is that you haven't dealt with, whatever darkness that you haven't dealt with, or at least accept it. Accept it, make it part of your life. There is no white life, and life doesn't come wrapped in a bow. Life is many hues, and darkness is part of it.